Hello and welcome guys. Today in this video I gonna show you how to fix your Chrome default search engine is Bing or any another one. So you can set Google as default search engine in Google Chrome very easily. Just click on these three dots and click on settings. Now select search engine. Now click on manage search engine. So here is the list for search engine. So in the Google, here is the three dots. Just click on it and select Make default. So now your Chrome default search engine is Google. So by this easy and simple setting, you can change your Chrome search engine. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.